Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the topic environment. Okay, means we will do some question answer that is related to environment. Okay, so firstly, tell me what is environment. As we know, if you see around yourself, then what we found plants, trees. Okay, this environment include all the things that by which we are surrounded. Okay, or we can say that surrounded area around us is called environment. Okay, so we will do some question related to environment. So first question, the full form of SPM. SPM is, what is the full form of SPM? S means suspended, P means particulate, M means matter. Suspended particulate matter. Okay, so answer is full form of SPM is suspended particulate matter. Okay, now look at the second question. Dash is a toxic element present in the printed newspaper. Its intake can lead to brain damage. Okay, dash is a toxic. So which toxic element is present in printed newspaper? Do you know, you must have studied in your science about this, that lead is a toxic, LEAD, lead is a toxic element present in the printed newspaper. Its intake can lead to brain damage. Okay, look at the third question. Dash is a creature that can withstand up to 100 times the radiation that a human being can. Dash is a creature, means that can stand 100 times radiation than a human being, means it can stand in a radiation compared to human being up to 100 times more. Okay, so what is the name of this creature? Name of this creature is cockroach. Is a creature that can stand up to 100 times the radiation that a human being. Okay, so answer is cockroach. Dash is a method by which hydroelectric power is generated from waves. Hydroelectric power, ओके, मीन्स हाइड्रोइलेक्ट्रिक मीन्स पानी से जो पावर है वो जनरेट की जाती है। वेव, पानी की जो वेव्स होती है, लहरें होती है, उनसे जो लाइट है मीन्स वो जनरेट की जाती है। सो व्हाट इज द मेथड? यू हैव टू टेल द नेम ऑफ द मेथड। ओके, सो ओशन थर्मल एनर्जी इज द मेथड by which hydroelectric power is generated from waves. Okay, so in oceans there is waves, and from these waves that power is generated. Okay, and this method is called ocean thermal energy. Look at the next question. In solar cells, solar energy is converted into dash energy. In solar cells, solar energy is converted into dash energy. So what is the name of this? Name of this is electrical energy. In solar energy, do you know what is solar system? How solar energy is created. What is the system of creating solar electrical? You can see in this picture, these are solar plates. Okay, and these plates are kept on the we can say house. If we are using that solar electric in house, then on the house roof these plates are kept, and they get rays from the sun. Okay, and by which they create electricity. Okay, so these are solar plates, you can see in this picture. So in solar cells, solar energy that is created by the solar plates from sun is converted into electrical energy, and we can use this energy in our electrical energy. Means electrical means we can use all the electrical things like washing machine, cooler, fridge, okay, if we have solar energy. Next question, Dash was awarded the Magsaysay Award in 2001 for his efforts for water management in Rajasthan. राजस्थान में 2001 में मैग्सेसे अवार्ड से किसको अवॉर्डेड किया गया था, किसको नवाजा गया था? सो व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द पर्सन हु वाज अवॉर्डेड द मैग्सेसे अवार्ड in 2001 for his efforts for water management in Rajasthan? So name of this person is Dr. Rajendra Singh. Rajendra Singh was awarded the Magsaysay Award in 2001, okay, for water management in particular state Rajasthan. Next question, Dash is an element which is present in diesel and is an important cause of air pollution. What is air pollution? Air pollution means that harmful rays, we can say chemicals, and also air pollution due to that burning of we can say chimneys, etc. So all these create air pollution, and from more vehicle also there is air pollution because harmful gases are there in vehicles. So all these create air pollution. And which element which is present in diesel? So diesel and petrol cars are banned in big cities, we can say, because these create more that air pollution, or we can say that create more pollution. So in big cities means mainly in metro cities. In Delhi there is CNG is allowed in vehicles, okay. So question of this answer of this question is sulfur. Sulfur is an element which is present in diesel, okay, and because of that there is more air pollution in the cities. So it is avoided in big cities, okay, means diesel car are banned in big cities, it is not allowed. And there is instead of this there is option, that is CNG, that is means eco-friendly. It is considered that CNG is eco-friendly. Next question, Dash was a fuel introduced first in Delhi, Mumbai, Baroda and Surat as a cleaner auto fuel. So as earlier I told you that CNG in Delhi metro cities, we can say Delhi, Mumbai, Baroda, Surat, in all these big cities there is CNG. So CNG was a fuel that is introduced first, it was introduced in Delhi, then Mumbai, then Baroda, then Surat, okay, as a cleaner auto fuel, because it is considered it is said that it is a cleaner fuel, okay, compared to diesel and petrol. Next, Dash is a World Heritage Site in West Bengal which the government is promoting as a possible area of ecotourism. Dash is a World Heritage Site in West Bengal which the government is promoting as a possible area of ecotourism. Okay. So, what is the answer of this question? Did you remember? You must have listened this, the Sundarbans. Sundarbans is a World Heritage Site in West Bengal. So, where is Sundarban? It is in West Bengal, which the government is promoting as a possible area of ecotourism. Okay. Next and last question. Biogas is a mixture of methane and next. Yes, you must have studied in science. You have to do this question yourself. Write the answer in this the key given column. And what is biogas? As biogas is created by the wastage of animals, we can say, and dung of animals. Okay. So you have to write the answer of this that biogas is a mixture of methane and write the answer in this given column. Okay, you have to do yourself this question. So students, we have completed some question of this chapter related to environment, like full form of SPM is suspended particulate matter. Second is lead is a toxic element. Then cockroach is a creature that can stand with up to 100 times the radiation that a human being can. Then what is the method by which hydroelectric power is generated? That is ocean thermal energy. Solar cell, solar energy is converted into electrical energy. Why it is called electrical energy? Because we can use all electric thing by using this energy. Okay, Rajendra Singh was awarded by Magsaysay Award in Rajasthan for water management in 2001. Next question. Dash is an element which is present in diesel. So sulfur is an element that is present in diesel, and that is the causes of air pollution in the cities. Because of that sulfur, there is more air pollution in the cities. Then dash was the fuel that introduced in Delhi, Mumbai. First it was introduced in Delhi. So CNG. It is eco fuel, we can say, or cleaner auto fuel. Then the Sundarbans is a World Heritage Site in West Bengal, and biogas is a mixture of methane, and write the answer. Okay, so students, do this question and write the answer of this question in the given column. Okay, and if you have any doubt, any query, you are free to ask. Thank you.